Hi, Kel with BluePrint Engines. There's nothing quite like uncrating your brand new BluePrint engine. Let's open this up and take a look at everything that's included. All BluePrint engines are going to come on a palletized crate sealed inside a heavy-duty plastic bag to protect against dust and moisture. We can deliver it directly to you or the shop of your choice with liftgate service included, so you don't need a forklift or loading dock to unload it. All right, we've all seen uncrating videos online, and we'd love for you to share yours with us. I'm going to show you a quick trick to make it a little easier. Most people try to pry off the lid. There's a lot of staples. It's not quite as easy. I'm just going to pull the staples out of these legs, and then the whole lid's going to come off in one piece. All right, after you get the legs pried off, then you can just lift the whole assembly. All right, once you get it uncrated, you can see it's in a heavy-duty sealed plastic bag, like I said, to protect against moisture and dust. They're all gonna have a zip tie at the top. You just snip that real quick and just fold the bag down. Let's see what's inside. Now this is what everyone's looking for. It's gonna include the dyno sheet for your exact engine, also have all your warranty paperwork and installation guide. All right, now that we have it uncrated, unbagged, let's see how much power this engine made. Now, like every BluePrint engine, they are ran and tested on the dyno, and you get the test results for your exact engine. Any of the advertised horsepower is a guaranteed minimum. All right, so this 427 cubic inch LS3 compatible engine made 632 horsepower. Here at BluePrint Engines, we do a 6.2 liter and 7 liter, both naturally aspirated and supercharged. Now, the great thing about BluePrint Engines is we have several different levels of dress. Everything from just a basic long block that's not going to include your intake or coils. However, this one is what we would call a dressed engine. So it is going to come with the intake manifold, your coil near plugs, complete assembly, obviously your water pump and balancer installed. Another key feature is every BluePrint engine is going to come with some instructions. These are specific important instructions such as your oil pan capacity. These will ship without oil, and you can always get the break-in oil and service oil at blueprintengines.com. Now we went over the dyno sheet. Let's see what else is included with your engine. Obviously a BluePrint engine sticker and an installation guide. For the LS, it's going to be an LS specific installation guide. We're also going to include a list of recommended add-ons, so you can purchase all the additional parts you need to complete the install. The great thing about BluePrint Engines is we have the level of dress that you need to complete your build. Everything from a basic long block to a complete ready-to-install package with your front pulleys and transmission already installed. So that's going to come with an automatic or manual transmission installed, the correct wiring harness, ECU, fuse panel, even the acceleration pedal, since it is a drive-by-wire. And the best thing about when you buy the complete package, both the engine and transmission have a complete 30-month, 50,000-mile warranty. So after you received your crated engine, you've opened it up and you're ready to install, don't forget, BluePrint Engines is here to help. You can call our tech support Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Central, for any installation questions. And remember, go to blueprintengines.com to get your engine registered. Make sure to follow and subscribe for more engine builds, tech tips, and crate engine content from BluePrint Engines.